Hey Michelle and John, my name is Lee Turbianic and I was doing some research in your area and came across your guys' site, so I figured I'd shoot you this quick video to show you 3 things that you can do today to beat out your competition online. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of the video you like what you hear and become more interested on how I can help your business grow, just give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul, just take the tips that I've given you in the video and put them into action for yourself. All I ask for is some feedback at the end. So let's jump right into it. The 3 major things that I want to cover today is content, citations, and backlinks. Content is basically anything that you see on your home page here. Now, this is your home page, and it looks like particularly you might have had this site built a long time ago just by the format. I've seen plenty of these sites, and you do have some content, roughly, I'd say roughly 700 words on your home page. But Google typically likes to see around 1,500 words on a home page. That allows you to get enough keywords in, and it gives you enough information for your viewers to be able to, answer questions, any questions that they have, and also that's what Google likes to see. You got to think they're just a crawling website and all they do is read. So the more information you have for your clientele, the better and higher you'll rank. So I did a quick lookup for sewage cleanup Orlando, and as we scroll down, you can see restorationsos.com is in first place. I'm not seeing you guys on up in this first position, but you are down here in the fourth. So I wanted to see what kind of content they had. And as you can see, they do have some content, the maps, a little bit more content, some zip codes. But if you were to go get the 1,500, you'd get up in that first place a lot better. So let's go back to this. Now, this is the way Google is broke down. They have this new thing called the Google Guarantee, and I'm sure you're familiar with the Google ads where you're paying out of pocket cost per click. 9 times out of 10 they're bogus. Well, these are, you only get charged if it's a phone call, and it's way better for client conversion, and they click on it, they call you, and if they're calling you, they obviously would like an estimate or some sort of service rather than just clicking on your site and getting charged for it. So I love them. I do suggest looking into them. If you just need a background check and proof of insurance, and you could get set up in here today, and I could tell you a lot more about this. But this middle section right here, the GMB or Google My Business section, and this bottom section are really what I want to focus on. And what ranks you in these sections are called citations. Now, a citation is your business name, the address, and the phone number listed in the directories all across the web, like the Yellow Pages, Yext, MapQuest, CityStar, Facebook's even one of them. So as you can see, you are not in this top 3 for sewage cleanup, which is hurting your business because about 40% of all clicks come from this. So I wanted to see how many citations 911 Restoration of Orlando actually has to claim that top spot. So I have this tool I use, and it's a local citation finder, and I put their information in, and it's showing they have 31 citations. So that's 31 sources. Now here's all their sources: Bing, Yelp, BBB, Yellow Pages, Manta, and as you can see, they're not created equal. These well-known ones are going to transfer more power. Now as we get down to the Research Giant, My City Pages, eCard.link, they're not really giving it any power. So we want to go after these strong ones, get as many as possible, and then go and hit your GMB listing with 100, 200, get your name out there in more directories, and plus that'll get you up in this top 3 map pack, so people can just bam, click on your website. If you want to add your phone number, they can call you instantly. It's huge. So now this third section, this is the organic section, and this is what ranks you here is backlinks. So I have another tool I use, and it's called Airfs, and this shows me a complete overview of your site, the traffic, the keywords you're ranking for, and as you can see, I put HazMat Cleaners in here, right here, and it's showing that you only have 1 referring domain, 1 backlink, you're not getting any traffic from it, and you're not ranking for any keywords. So I put in your competition, which was restorationsos.com, and here's their site, they have a 6 and a 39. They have 16.8 backlinks from 896 referring domains, and the powerful ones are right here, 613, the do follow links. They're ranking for 5,000 keywords and getting about 2,400 traffic monthly. This is a monthly estimated organic number. So it shows that, being up in them top spots for those keywords are really going to change the traffic coming to your site. but I want to dig in and see what kind of keywords they have to show you what is possible. So restaurant fire damage restoration, that has 100 volume. They're getting about 30 jobs from that each month. Sewage cleanup Orlando, 80 volume and a 0 KD. So that's 80 people, and this is a monthly figure as well. 80 people looking for sewage cleanup in Orlando each and every month that you aren't getting any traffic from because you're not ranking for the keywords. So 31 traffic. Sewage cleanup Bloomington, 80 and 0. Sewage backup cleanup Castle Rock, 80 and 0. Sewage backup cleanup Bloomington, 70 and 0. Right there's over 300 search volume for just sewage alone, and I didn't really dig into any of your other services that you offer. You guys are sitting on a gold mine. I'd love to talk with you a little bit more about this and really dig in and show you what is possible. Like I said, they're not there by a long shot. You guys just aren't having any luck with your keywords or any traffic coming to your site. So yeah, my phone number is 570-240-5257. We can just do a quick recap of what we spoke about. The first thing was content, 1,500 words on the homepage, and here's a site that we just built, brand new site, all services listed that he offers with keywords, all his locations that he wanted to target, so his location pages rank in that area. Beautiful contact form, but this is the content aspect of it. So we have his main keyword right here in the heading, Plumber Woodland Hills. We have another keyword here, Woodland Hills Plumber. You're telling Google what you want to be found for. Woodland Hills Plumber, you have it in the content. A picture, you want your picture saved as it. So you're providing all the information to rank for that keyword. And we go add backlinks to your site, which is the power, which powers it. And if we go back here, we can see what kind of power they have. So to their originals, here's all their backlinks, which is what's giving them this power. We can click into their backlinks, just like we did with the citations, and see all the sources. Plus I have access to very powerful blogs and backlink packages that will boost us up over them, get you up in the top spot for a lot of these keywords, and up into the first position rather than down, scrolling down to find you, and up in the map pack. But yeah, so that was content. Citations was your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web. I suggest getting 100, 200 of these for your business and really beating these guys out, plus getting your name out there in more directories so people can find you. And then the third thing was backlinks. You need to get more relevant backlinks pointing back to your website to beat out your competition. And if you do that, you could take over all of these aspects of Google and really change your traffic and business coming in. And that's really what you want to focus on. So if you feel like talking a little bit more about this, I'm available whenever. Just shoot me a text, 570-240-5257, or give me a call anytime. Thanks a lot, John and Michelle. Hope you guys have a great day.